Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the fastest phone of the next year. First real-life look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra camera module, showing off slight design change like chamfer edge finish. Inside versus flat on Galaxy S22 Ultra. So in terms of design, we'll have slide flatter edges center chain and this chamfer edge finish in the camera module. The color is likely bluish silver, I guess. For sure we'll see some more options too. They see Geekbench listing of Samsung S23 Ultra with 8 Gen 2 silicon inside, and these scores aren't looking that good. Like, these initial score are for sure better than the 8 Gen 1 and Exynos shape of last year, but there's nowhere near the A16 Bionic chipset. The claims of faster numbers it was tested, where Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 scored 217 FPS in ES 3.1. Dimensity 9200 was way behind at 176 FPS. With addition to a new processor, we're also getting some of the internal updates, mainly a IPDDR5X RAM, which is 1.3 times faster than the last generation, and an UFS 4.0, which will be twice as fast as the UFS 3.1. Recently, we have seen the back cover of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now the well-known tipster Ice Universe shared the tempered glass of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra model, which seem to be edge-to-edge corner. And he also shared the protective glasses of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Some of these differ quite significantly from one another. The glass of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus has rounded corners. The edges of the Galaxy S23 appear to be significantly thicker than those of the Galaxy S23 Plus model. The glass of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is squared, the corners are hardly rounded. The design corresponds to that of the discontinued Samsung Galaxy Note line. A previous report that claimed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera will be powered by an ISO-cell HP2 sensor that Samsung has optimized for excellent image quality in the dark. Video capture, especially at night, has been the Achilles heel of Android phone cameras compared to the iPhone. So if Ice Universe claim about the Galaxy S23 Ultra's night videography improvements holds, Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Finally, when it comes to photos, Samsung has noticeably improved the Galaxy S22 Ultra's low light camera quality over the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.